today is my hair cutting. Niue, my hair cutting ceremony, and yeah.
Whakaolowatu mākou. Hola. Today we're here at the Hifi. Hey Lily. Hifi for Hector. My brother's son Hector. We've got David here.
Hey, my birthday. We're just celebrating my birthday, Roger's birthday. Happy birthday, have a good hair cutting. I love you both, and yep, God bless.
Too low. Yeah. We're just about to go in. People are here. Happy. Got our matuas. We're all walking in. Got the crew, my little crew here. Lanu ango means yellow. So hoa motolu ke Hifi. We're in the Somerville Intermediate. Used to be Tamaki Intermediate, but now it's Somerville. Looking forward. Hey, Jackson, any words, Jackson? Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We're going in, looks pretty busy. Got the main man here, David. It's David Jones.
Hey,
yep. Go in and show you what it looks like. Check this out. Looking good, Hector. Looking good. Mia. What's up, Mia? Cousin Faye. I mean my niece. Sharks. Grandma. That's grandma there. Vai Kupu.
Hey, Hector!
Hey, my goodness.
Kalau pelahiatu si kue aho hipi lo Hector moe afanau foki hana ko tu e kongo fulu makai tau ha Hector dia ke mai o ke ato ha ko le veki mai ai ko lahi what's up si osi moya to ino moye kava
oi yo we ino ke fia ai stilo vai Kupu.
Kalau pelahiatu kue Linga fato tau hai hau nei koe good sign ai morue fonua moe monui ne tonga hua ne moe ki ai hau nei koe ne haka to kupu maha nei to fai kupu maha whakamui ka osi tonga hua to toru whakawela
Tilo. Vai Kupu.
Hey, whakawela. Hey, happy birthday Hector, and looking forward to your hair cutting ceremony. Keep being awesome son and cousin, nephew. We're super proud of you, and yeah, keep being awesome.
Hello. These guys, hola te aloha. Ai. Shiro Eden. Sifa, hola te foki. Yeah. There's the crew. Sup Wong. Sup my man. There's the lovely cousins. Yeah, they got him. You want to say happy birthday or?
Happy birthday, Hector.
Hey, Tolo. Yeah. Oh. Whakaolowatu.
hello to everyone
Vai Kupu. Hey, vai Kupu. Julian. Hey, bro, you're taller than me now.
Happy birthday, Hector, and hope you have a good day today.
Too low.
Happy birthday, Hector, and happy hair cutting.
Too low. Thank you. Whakaolowatu, mamahakitanga.
hey monuine aho Hifi hauma Hector. As you can see, everyone arrived nice and early for the 11 a.m. start, but it looks beautiful, yep, especially all the uniform looks awesome. I just want to say congratulations and have a great day. God bless you. Thanks, Hector.
Too low. Too low. Dan?
Yeah, what's that?
Hey Hector, happy birthday. God bless. Thanks for inviting us.
Too low.
Happy birthday. Sorry, I need to be warned. No. Happy birthday, Hector. I love you. I'm so proud of the man that you've become. And I'm excited to see you on short hair. You've grown up and you've become such an awesome human. And I just love you and I'm so proud. Yep.
Too low. Too low.
Happy birthday, Hector. I love you so much. I can't wait to see you with short hair. Hello, David.
Too low.
How are you?
James, any words for your cousin? No. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday.
Okay, I'll say it because David. Aloha here too. My name is Natalie. I just want to wish Hector congratulations on his haircutting. Moninga I whiana ko lau tuha. Kia nuina koe, moe whakamai a tua longa mai tau aho ne toi. Auntie Pua sends her regards and love to you as well as the family back in Niue. But yeah, wish you all the best and congratulations.
My name is Niue Toa. I'm here at Hector's haircutting, so I'm wishing him a big congratulations and a big step into what they call the Niue event. So we're going to celebrate today as big as we can, and I'm just looking forward to the event and the food that we're going to have. That's me.
Hello. Hello. Are you? Okay. The boys. Any words, Gus? Any words?
I just put this and I come back.
Yo. Oh, man, what's up, Liam? Elijah, any words?
Huh?
Any words?
I hope you have a great haircutting, Hector. You're gonna look like Liam, me, and other people that have. And I'm so happy for you because you're my cousin. And yeah.
Hello. Okay.
Hey, I'm going to have a good week, Hector. Good verse, I love you both.
Too low.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a good. If you have a happy birthday.
Yeah.
I hope you have a good year.
Yeah.
With your family.
Yeah.
And I really hope you look good with your short hair.
Hey.
Fuck yeah.
Too low. The boys, Lani. What's up, Lani? Any words for Hector?
Not really, just to have a good day. Hope you enjoy it.
Too low.
Happy first haircut. First time to slap you on the head. Bless you. Yeah, have a good day.
Too low.
Things. Huh?
Few words left. Few words
Yeah, this
left.
guy's saying fake kupu, eh? Short Dave.
Short, yeah, fake kupu, yeah.
Yo, let's go. This is David Eric's school. And it's good for us to be here to utilize this hall. Feeling really excited to take this hair cutting. This is going to be our most major event for the year. And I think, you know, it doesn't matter how much planning you do, always something's gonna pop up, man. So I'm feeling that this morning. I just realized this box of taro is still left at home, hasn't been cooked. But we'll get it done, It's all good.
Yeah.
And look at this. See? Half the hall is in yellow, the other half's not in yellow. So that's testament to the family. It's a big family. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hello.
Happy Hifi. Wait, what is it called?
Hifi.
Happy Hifi.
Yeah.
Happy Hifi, Hector. Now for now. Hope you have a great birthday and enjoy your day.
You wanna say happy birthday?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Thank you that Hector's birthday is starting now, and thank you that we're doing it now, and have a great day.
Hello, nice talk.
Hey, happy birthday, Hector. Hope you have an awesome day, and listen to your parents and always be humble.
Hello. Liam.
Happy birthday, Hector. I hope you have a good day today.
Hello. Hello.
Isang po nakan na ang kalebo. Ako pangapa. Ako di Niue Toa ko pwede ito tulong yung hanay. Punta kayo ito may mga grandson niya ito Hector. Tomato. I hope you're a good boy, son. There's no one wants to tell you, but if you follow the big man above, he'll back you. Listen to the parents. At least go to church every Sunday or every Saturday. Whatever you do, yeah. Hãy Pali nei, uta ki hei uruia o tāu nei te Hector. Ore atu ia toi o tōru whakamotu inu mai ko ma hohosu kua ka ngatu ma tō kia. Wātu he ana tau o maha uta ki. O rina mai o mina ka tai o mene mo tō rina o tō mahai. E whia hama o tōra tau roko, mata mai o tō te kiki.
I just want to start by thanking everyone for coming today, and we really appreciate it from both sides.
I'm incredibly proud of how much you stand up in the world and just as yourself, and how much you love what you've done. And the biggest hope for you in this transition and your feedback is just to keep being you. And I want to thank Hugo for being such a wonderful little brother.
People, one of them is Hector's uncle, and Hector's uncle, and the other is my uncle. So, and I can see Hugo's a bit emotional, but it means it would mean a lot to us if we could have a moment of silence. Just to reflect, do a bit of reflection, but also...
Kia ora koutou, and thank you everyone for being here today. It's really our privilege to be up here speaking to everyone as Hector and Hugo's godparents.
Hello, my name is Gus.
My
name is Leo. I hope you have a good day, Hector. Thank you for being a good cousin to me.
My name is Atu. I hope you have a really good year with your family, and yeah.
Kalafatu.
From our family, we're so grateful to be here and thank you for being here. I was like, I am not missing this dude's haircut. I have been there since he was born. And so I'm so happy that we got to have it the day after his birthday, but also before I'm so grateful to all of you, the Eric family, for helping, and all of our family for helping make this happen today. Yeah, I'm just so happy that we got to have this, and I'm so excited for you. Thank you, God. I'm like, I'm so excited.
My name's Belinda. I'm Belinda's younger sister, and one of the things I'm here today to do not have as much energy as my sister. When I was sitting there over the weekend, I was just thinking how proud I am I'm in, but Hector's one of those kids, yes, like, and
Excuse me, today is a bit emotional for me. But I was going to take you a happy day for me too, because we've been waiting for this day for a long, long time. Sadly, this repeated as everyone heard that Hector lost his uncle.
Okay, my name is Teresa Crawley Onsemu. I'm a great-grandmother of Hector. I'm not saying much today because it's too long for us to. So, Hector, thank you to you. Now you are growing boy. You have to listen to mom. Right? You be a good boy. Respect grandpa and grandma, all your aunties, uncles, cousins. Okay? Remember when I told you, you have to respect people. Right? All the time when Philippa went up and, Nena, can you let me sit for the kids, please? I said, yeah. Okay. When I come in early in the morning, these two of them, Granny, can you make a porridge, please? I said, okay. Because mom's porridge, we don't like it. I will do it. So I do. And after that, then I asked, what do you like for? Did we have a substitute dinner? Granny? Yeah. I do it all day. So after that, they have a treat, eat chips, everything, and they play. So anyway, thank you so much for Houston's family. Thank you for us to come along. That's the first time me and my kids see things like this for cutting the hair. That's the first time. So thank you so much for electing us.
As Krishna said, I'm Hector's grandmother and I'm going to bless him. Ko beo da tonu ko yon, a tua tonu nei na ngai, gawe ma tua tonu ke hawa ko noa, pilo ma he mui a Hector. Gawe ke hawa tonu, gawe ke tau nos. Gawe ko ki
Happy birthday, Rita. Have a good time with you.
Cover for later.
Greetings. My name is Sandy Tupu and I am one of Hector's aunties on his dad's side. I am Christian's older sister and I am here on behalf of our family to celebrate with Hector on this very special occasion. I'm here with my family, my husband Peter here, my oldest son Jordan.
A couple of boys and mama. Whakamua ka manau te kaua ke hea toa, ke hea ana le veki, mo e whakalafu noa ke tau tōru osi. Ke he kaitanga tau tōru ke māme a, Hector, Iongi ni ke hea toa ke whoaki ki a koe, e loko, whakamatala.
On the same month, Hector on the first week, bang up on the last week of March. So, yeah, before we go, I'd like to introduce you to my family. As you know, my son, Xiaoprenga, is my other son, S-U-N, son from Niue Toa. My niece Eden, this is her son, born in Brazil. More Flora, my namesake, and more James.
Hifi Metodani Haku. On behalf of my dad's family, for those of you who know, my dad passed away when. This is Aklis. Come to the front, Aklis. Does everyone introduce their families? It's Aklis. Dan is my husband, and we have faith, as you saw in Maja, Kayla, and Toa. Whakawelahi, thank you, Christian. Thank you.
Agafakamotu.
I'm Belinda's partner. I've been on the scene for a while and I've watched Hector grow, and I know he's just one of the nicest kids I know. Him and his
Ehi patila ke haku o na hau niwe, e pe mena lahi ke putala koe mena tosi ni. And we have Eli, and we have my brother Joshua and his wife Phoebe, and their youngest son Ryan. We also have our auntie.
What I'm going to do before we make the cut, before I go ahead and make the first, that's another. So I'm going to just get some assistance. I'm going to make a call, which is a pre-war dance. So basically, I'm going to say, I'm going to whakamotu, and I'll get you guys to say whakamotu 3 times. Should we do a practice? Whakamotu.
My husband Henry, daughter Riley, and sons Nathan and Kobe, and we are very privileged to be here today.
I am Josie, I'm Christian's first cousin. I just wanted to thank Christian and Philippa for inviting us to be a part of this special day. Hector, we wish you all the best today.
Second son Isaac, and this is my third son Jacob.
Today, I am represented here with my mum Lucy and my little Josephina. Our connection to Hector.
Get on everyone. Can I get a
Hector. Anyone in New Malcolm knows how proud he was of you, so it's an honour for us to be here today. Thank you.
To this boy through his grandmother. She is a radical woman. I watch him from not only from his outside appearance and what he do, but I can see from his inside.
Blessed, Mum and I are blessed to be here. I send love from Hector's, I guess you could say, Uncle Daniel, his great-grand.
Dorana, my name is Robati. I've known Hector for 4 years. Everyone knows Robati and Hector best mates online, and this is one of those occasions where they can actually meet in real life.
All the time! Just want to make sure everything's yeah, so short and simple. Hector, from myself. My mom is at the back, and we have here with Cici Nurse. So really, that's funny fans.
I just want to say, here is our son, little darling. Here comes the sun, little darling. And I say, you're all right.
I'm just cutting here.
I wish to thank you for the invitation to come to your haircutting. It's the first time Bob and I have done this.
I just like to say that Gillian is, as you said, an old family friend, but she's also the first ever female professional golfer in New Zealand.
My name is Atta. In fact, a lot of people don't know me, but happy birthday. We're friends with Favour.
I'm not Niue, but we've watched him grow through social media and at these big family events. And
Oh, bro, that's the one.
Hopeful, the homeschooling father. He's spending a lot of time homeschooling. So,
Short and sweet. Hector has helped us make that decision by
It's the lamb.
because he's a great
Damn, mamun.
he's always been really protective
Super curry.
and
KFC.
so
I do it now, just the line would be.
You are my next door neighbors as well. We all do things together. Your mum, my mum, they're just like.
G'day guys, my name's Ben. So me and my wife, we kind of, when we moved from Mars, we moved and we stayed around Syria.
privileged to be here. You're a very awesome kid, Hector, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.
Anyone else that would like to? Happy birthday, Hector. I flew all the way from Australia to be here with you today. Wow. And the bird over there, Kola, she told me it was your birthday. And I'm here and I want to thank you because I put.
You gotta come fishing a lot more, man. Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Ewan.
I know he's young guy, maybe 7 or 8 years old. I don't know he always come to South America.
It was organised by these two, so...
Hi everyone, sorry I'm late. I'm Teresa, Philippa, Belinda and Malcolm's uncle, and it's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you, Lord, for this day that we have today. Thank you for the special celebration that we have for Hector today. Thank you for your blessing that allows us to be all together.
Everyone, you can get up and let it go.
Welcome back
Shalom. Is the food good?
Yummy. It's a
Want to say something, Hannah, to Hector?
Hector, thank you for inviting us. It's been a beautiful ceremony and happy birthday.
Hurry up. Kupu.
Oh my gosh. Again, congratulations Hector on a very successful day. Wishing you all the best on your journey as you venture into manhood, as they say. Happy birthday as well, and yeah, all the best for the future. And yeah.
Shalom.
Congratulations, Hector. Home. Everything turned out okay. Sorry, I'm not that good at the moment. But anyway, Hector, you know how so you got 4 bloods in you, Niue, Samoa, Thailand, Motinai. We're proud of those 3 cultures. Yeah?
Hi. I've just been told it's your birthday and haircutting. Well, you have an awesome day and a happy birthday.
Shalom.
Okay. Hector, come. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, I will send you to
Sweet.
birthday, God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday, dear Hector. Happy birthday to you.
Brothers to the end, yet split apart. When we hit that FIVE, no more time to have fun and party.
Bye. ki Hifi olu a Hector Camacho Eric.
Vino, no more! O mai que talo! Olha, o mai que talo! Ope, toa! Omina que te cuenta nata!
That's what I mean. It's like three games. Each group, yeah.
Good afternoon. We're at Christian's house and St. Christian's hosting.
Tulo. Whakalawhatu mākou. Welcome back. We're here at my battery died yesterday, so the haircutting for church ended. But we're here back at Christian's place. He's having a pool party. And Makaila, you know, just to end yesterday, a big day. As you can tell, I've lost my voice, too much te kalo. But yeah, nice day to come relax. Ki fia oki Philadelphia. Yeah, alright. How was yesterday?
Oh, totahe mitaki.
Yeah.
Mitaki lahi e Hifi uru lea kisi fulua. Haya matou ko mai ke kai na a Christian ke kai la auroa. Moe whakakise whakawhaka manatu ki he aho ni afi he fulua wai tau ngahua mitaki lahi. Sika me kai matou he tau ika mata, mo tau masoro, mo tau pizza, mo tau talo. Kai he mga whaoa.
Yeah.
Hape tau matua majon, kai ngutu whee hao, kai tutale ngutu whee. Tu kai ko hawa kai ke tutala mo, kai ngutu whee kai. Tutale ngutu whee. Haya.